Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to create a Figma account in order for you to start your design. So the first thing we are going to do is go to your address bar. You type www.figma.com. Then it just takes you to, if you do not have a Figma account created before, you go to sign up for Figma. If you have a Figma account, you go to login. So let's go for a sign up because we are focusing on newbies who haven't downloaded Figma before. So now let's sign up for Figma. So it takes you to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google because it makes it easier to password every time you want to log into the account. So when you continue with Google, it has this kind of feature that helps you save your password in your Google account. So let me just continue with Google. So Figma account has been created. So the reason why I'm having these files is because obviously I'm already a designer, but as a new who is just signing up for Figma, you do not have all these files. These files obviously will be empty for you, and what you have to do is just go, for you to create, you go to new design file, you click on it, and it takes you to our canvas is open, so you can see the default name, which is untitled. You can see it here, and you can click here and rename. Let's say I want to rename it to my first Figma design, my first Figma design. Yes, so you can see it has been renamed, and this is the name now, my first Figma. I hope by the end of this video you would be able to create a Figma file for yourself and also sign up for Figma as a new designer. So if you like this tutorial and you like to get more from me, kindly like this video and comment, hit the subscribe button for more contents like this. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day ahead of you. Bye.